Alexa, the approach that you often take with projects, you're trying to manage risk by managing the cost. Tell us how you do that.
Our agency tries to mitigate that as best we can by just matching the client's needs with a dedicated team. So it's a duration and price approach to building products as opposed to a fixed scope. That allows us to kick off with these 2-week sprints where we're inviting clients to be at the table to make those decisions on what priorities are. We also take that opportunity to explain in person with them what those risks, assumptions, and considerations are. So it really puts them in the driver's seat. It's not to say they won't happen. It's just the conversation we have as a group, both agency and client together, to detail what those risks are. We invite them into all of our internal tools so they can see things in real time. We have had some trial and error with that. We will still invite them into a Slack team, for example, but it might be a different version of the everyday Slack team that our team's going back and forth in. The whole concept there is to infuse the client into the day-to-day so they can see things in real time happening. That does tend to help reduce any delay in finding things out and having to talk to the client about it, but it can introduce a little bit of risk too, just by the nature of them seeing everything. It is an approach where we have to have a lot of trust between both sides, but we found it to be really helpful in terms of keeping communication really tight.